Let us solve this question. 74.5 gram of metallic chloride contains 35.5 gram of chlorine. So what they are saying, they have given the weight of metal chloride, but we don't know the formula. Just for representation of metal chloride, I have taken like that. That will be 74.5, and the chlorine weight alone they have given, that is 35.5. So if you are having that one, the metal weight alone will be taken like this: 74.5 minus 35.5. So 39 will be the metal weight alone. Okay, what is the formula for the determination of equivalent weight of the metal? Equivalent weight of metal will be equal to, that is very, very simple formula. Equivalent weight of metal will be equal to metal weight alone in metal chloride. So metal weight alone in metal chloride, and then chlorine weight alone in metal chloride, and then equivalent weight of chlorine. Whatever may be the conversion, if you are converting that into oxide, if you are converting metal into oxide, you have to write like that: metal weight in metal oxide and oxygen weight in metal oxide. Like that you should write, and the equivalent weight of oxygen you should take. But here we are converting that into chloride, so equivalent weight of chlorine. Equivalent weight of chlorine, I think you know, whatever may be the molecular weight, the equivalent weight will be determined by the molecular weight or atomic weight, because we are going to find out that equivalent weight of chlorine. So atomic weight divided by n factor. So atomic weight for chlorine will be 35.5, n factor will be 1. N factor is nothing but 8 minus 7, because the number of outer electrons will be 7 in chlorine. So if the electrons are more than 4, then you should determine the valency by subtracting that outer electrons from 8. That is called valency. So equivalent weight of chlorine we know 35.5, and then metal weight in MCl they have given, that is 39. Look at this one, and then 35.5 will be the chlorine weight alone. If you are cancelling this one, you will get 39. So in a short time we have finished this question. Thank you.